On the back of the cabinet columns, install the mushroom screws as required for your display model. Using 2 people, hang cabinet column 1 by aligning the mushroom screws on the back of the cabinet column with the indentations on the beams. Repeat this process with the remaining cabinet columns, going from left to right. Before you proceed, make sure each cabinet column is fully seated and flush with the other columns. Then, insert and tighten the bottom screws to secure the cabinet column's vertical alignment. Repeat this for the other columns. Insert the rest of the screws, but don't tighten them. Attach the alignment brackets at the middle, side, and top cabinet joints. After the brackets are installed, finish tightening the cabinet screws. To finish aligning the depth of the cabinet columns, loosen the bottom screws and install the bottom brackets. Then, retighten the screws. Route the end of each power cable into the opening on the back of its corresponding cabinet. Connect the power cables to the ports in the cabinets. Route the data cables to the cabinet columns as required for your display model. Use the opening in the back of the cabinet to connect the longer data cables. To connect 2 adjacent cabinets, use the data cables provided and connect them here. Use the opening in between the cabinets to route the data cable. Attach the cable boxes using the provided screws. Make sure the cables are not pinched. Make sure the display is plugged in and turn the power switch on. You should see a flashing LED on each cabinet. If you don't, check the power and data connections between each cabinet. When all the indicators are flashing green, proceed to the Installing the Modules video.